Hello guys! So today we are going to teach you different mathematical concepts. First of all,
We will teach you about proving unequal equations. Here is our given. If A, B, C, and D are in continued proportion, prove that the quantity of A minus B cubed over the quantity of B minus C cubed is equal to A over D.
from that equation, we will form a premise. The premise is A over B is equal to B over C is equal to C over D is equal to K. From this equation, you will form A is equal to BK, B is equal to CK, C is equal to DK, and D is equal to D.
By substituting the value of D to C, C to B, and B to A, we will get another value of A, B, C, and D. And it is A is equal to DK cubed, B is equal to DK squared, C is equal to DK, and D is equal to D.
So, our premise is complete. Next, our plan is to show that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side.
Execution. First, we will get the left-hand side. We will substitute the value of A, B, C, and D to this equation. A is DK cubed
DK cubed minus DK squared cubed over the quantity of DK squared minus DK cubed. From this equation, you will find their common monomial factor. D K squared times K minus 1 cube all over D times K minus 1 cube.
From there, we can cancel the same. Cancel this, and this. So the remaining is K and the power of 3. So K cubed.
So our left hand side is K cubed. So we are going to move now to the right hand side. Right hand side, A over D. From this equation, we will substitute the value of A, B, C, and D.
A is equal to
DK cubed
over
D. From here, you will cancel the D.
we can cancel the D.
So,
The remaining is K cubed. So we can say that the left hand side and the right hand side are both equal to K cubed.
from this solution, you will write your conclusion. Our conclusion is, since that the LHS and the RHS are both equal to K cubed, it follows that the left hand side is equal
to
the right hand side as required. QED.
we can put box or QED as a symbol of it is proved.
So our concept of proving equations are done.
That's all. Thank you.
Our next topic is Pythagorean theorem.
So, the formula for Pythagorean theorem is are, if we are finding the hypotenuse leg or the C, we will use the formula C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. If we are finding a leg B or A, we will use the B squared is equal to C squared minus A squared, or A squared is equal to C squared minus B squared. It is the same. So, since that we are finding the hypotenuse leg or the C, we will use the formula C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared.
C squared is equal to C squared is equal to 8 squared plus 6 squared. From this, you will form C squared is equal to 64 plus 36. C squared is equal to 100. C is equal to the square root of 100. C is equal to 10. So, our hypotenuse leg is equal to 10.
That's all. Thank you. Hi guys, our next topic is finding x using Pythagorean theorem. We are given a triangle which sides are x plus 1, 3x minus 7, and 2x, which is the hypotenuse leg.
From the triangle, we'll derive the formula C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. So, 2x squared is equal to 3x minus 7 squared plus x plus 1 squared. 4x squared is equal to 9x squared minus 42x plus 49 plus x squared plus 2x plus 1. From this equation, we will simplify the given. 4x squared is equal to 9x squared plus x squared minus 42x plus 2x plus 49 plus 1. 4x squared is equal to 10x squared minus 40x plus 50. We'll transpose 4x squared so we can simplify it. 0 equals 10x squared minus 4x squared minus 40x plus 50. So, 0 equals 6x squared minus 40x plus 50. This equation, you can divide it by 2.
The fuck?
2. You will divide it by 2. The 3x squared minus 20x plus 50
plus 25. This equation have two factors, which are
3x plus 5
and
x plus 5, x minus 5.
So the x is 5.
That's it.
That's all. Thank you. Hi guys, this is our last topic for today, which is the finding x using Stewart's theorem. The formula for Stewart's theorem is AB over BC times CD over DE times EF over FA is equal to 1.
From that formula, we will substitute the given. 5 over 6 times 12 over 15 times x plus 2 over x plus 3 is equal to 1. From this, you can cancel 6 and 12. 1 and 2. You will cancel 5 and 15. 3 and 1. So, you can cancel already. 2 times x plus 2 all over 3 times x plus 3
is equal to
is
1.
equal to 1. 2x plus 4 over 3x plus 9
is equal to 1.
2x plus 4, we will use transposition. 2x plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 9. Transpose 3x
0 is equal to 3x
3x minus 2x
minus
2x equals
9
minus 4.
4.
X is equal to 5. That's all.
That's all.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.